Found another scenic overlook. We're now in Arizona. We have a little doggy right here, and he's riding shotgun in that motorcycle over there. Got a carrier on the back. That guy stopped. He was doing some push-ups on the wall here. Unfortunately, some people gotta graffiti stuff up. Wilderness forever. That's what the sign says. That's what we get a chance to see. Look at that. Traveling with his doggy. I'm gonna zoom in a little closer. Looking for the road that gets down there. I've been down there before last year. I'm going to find it again. Dan-O Live, Dan-O Vision. Narrow 2-lane road. It will drop us down to Willow Beach. We're out in the Arizona desert off of Highway 95. Dan-O Live, Dan-O Vision, road trip. Part of the world, but this is the world I'm going through right now. The Arizona desert. About 25 miles out of Lake Mead, Boulder Dam. Came down here last year after SEMA. This year I'm coming down before SEMA. Surf City Classics Prez Brian Almas had suggested I check this out. His dad, he had taken him down here when he was a boy. So here we are. Look at here. We made it to the bottom. Do not enter, but I guess I got to. Look at that. Pretty. Nah, cooking up me dinner. Beautiful blue water. There's a restaurant and store. Can't go any further, they're still working on the road. Escape camper vans. Use a Transit Connect. Oh, look at that, huh? Boys and girls out having fun. Yeah, this is all new up back through here. Last year, it didn't exist. Yeah, we found a ramp down to the fishing area. Let's check it out. Let's get down closer to the water. Wow. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. This vagabond lifestyle, very fitting. Maybe I won't go home after SEMA. Maybe I'll hang around and travel, take some more sights in. Look at that seaweed in the water. Beautiful Willow Lake, Arizona. Captured on Dan-O-Vision. Dan-O-Live. Subscribe. Tell your friends. Right, let's go check out the store and the welcome center. Willow Beach. Footsteps on the shore. Let's see what we got. Restrooms in the store. It's here in the store. You can buy most anything you need. We'll be back to see that. Let's go check out the view first. Look at that. Beautiful, huh? The picnic areas out here. Walk down to the boat launch. There. Probably rent kayaks, boats, anything you might need. Willow Beach, Arizona. Sun's getting a little low. It's part of the Colorado River. Let's see what else we got. How about this? Got all kinds of cool stuff. You can go on raft tours. You can buy souvenirs. You can buy books because you're off the grid out here. There's no internet connection. Not that I've seen anyway on my Sprint phone. So you're off the grid, you might as well read a book, right? I fish and I know things. It's what I do. Yes, I have a retirement plan. I'll be in my RV, or in my case, my Dan-O van. They got women's t-shirts. Yeah. Even got a fitting room. And if you need some ice, you got ice. Even got some treats. How about that? All kinds of little things you can get in here. Nice little stock store. You can get sodas, beverages, milk, candy, even candy. I'm gonna have to go grab my wallet and get something. Coffee, hot chocolate tea, a refrigerator. Got fishing supplies. Look at this. You got nets that catch those big fishes like that. You got logs to keep yourself warm. And it is cold this time of year. All kinds of supplies. Here you got shorts. Cargo shorts for guys. You got flip-flops, eyewear, sunblock. You got an ATM machine over there, and you got stickers. I'm definitely gonna have to go get my wallet with that local time. Arizona and Nevada. Guess you don't have to have an RV to camp. This place is pretty cool, actually. They tell me authorized vehicles only. They tell me like $40 to camp up here in my little van. Wonder what they got as far as services. Look at that hookup right there. Let's take a drive through and see what we got. Unless they catch up with us and tell us we can't. Isn't that pretty? It's a little beach. We're just down there. We rode up the winding road. All the way up. Nice little getaway. If I had an extra large Dan-O van, I could camp out here. Big old buses, RVs. Wow. That'd be the life. Get in the RV and see America. Especially the west, the southwest. Views like this. Awesome. In the meantime, all you viewers out there, I'd like to thank all of you. We're almost up to 5,000 subscriptions on Dan-O-Live.tv, so keep telling your friends and foes to check out Dan-O and Dan-O-Live.tv, because I take you all with me. And you know, it won't fit in any of these RVs, but it does fit in my little mobile device, and you get to vicariously live through me, and I know, yeah, we like the cars and the hot rods, but sometimes we just need to take a break and see what else is going on in the world of Dan-O. Right now, I kind of feel like a Dan-O vagabond life. Restrooms and showers. The bathrooms are there. The showers are around the back. Isn't the desert scapes pretty cool? Look at that. Right here we got the showers. Gotta check these showers out, they're pretty cool. Ah, look at that. And you don't have to pay to play. The showers turn on without any coins. All a part of your fee. A little heater in there and all. How cool are these? Very nice scenery up here. You've got picnic benches and the views. I didn't want to go to the dam. I'd stay here for a sunset. But I headed out to do the dam, and I entered down a little beach. Never got to the dam yet. The Dan-O van is still plugging along, and that's what it looks like up at the campground, Willow Beach, Arizona. It's just about maybe 25 miles outside of Hoover Dam, Boulder City, and 50 miles outside of Las Vegas. Hope you enjoy the visit to Willow Beach through Dan-O Vision. Dan-O Live.tv.